Ready, David?
This is a beautiful love story between a mother and a son named David. It's about justice and about providing a voice for those who can't speak for themselves.
Right now we're at Sammy's Cafe at Gompers. It's run by individuals with disabilities. And this is where my son attends a DTA, a day program. And David is the inspiration behind all the work I do. And so we are having lunch together, huh, bud?
You have to know David to know Michelle. David was born 3 months premature.
And as a result, he had grade 4 head bleeds in both ventricles. So he had brain damage at birth. His first brain surgery was at 2 months old. And since then, he's had 33 brain surgeries. He has cerebral palsy, epilepsy, hydrocephalus. He has vision impairments, and he has a severe intellectual disability. And despite all of that, he has a smile that lights up a room anywhere he goes.
And both mom and son have been to a lot of places.
He's gone parasailing, he's done surfing, he's running marathons. He's done a lot of really cool stuff. We've toured Europe, he has been to Jamaica, and I just throw him on my back and we go up a mountain. And it's worked. He's tiny, I'm tiny, but he's tiny for his age, so it's worked. And those experiences mean even more. They have so much more value because he isn't supposed to be doing those things. Yes.
With a slight laugh and even a giggle, David pounds his fist to get mom's attention. Nothing slips by him.
I love you. I grew up in a single parent household, and I had a undiagnosed learning disability, PTSD, and ADHD. And so I grew up feeling very lost in a big system and unnoticed. And I think that's kind of what ignited my passion and my empathy for others. I started off in social work and realized I was working for systems, not clients, and I wanted the impact with the actual client. And so I decided that I was going to start a nonprofit and have my own mission and vision. I have a company called Teach Abilities. And basically our mission is to teach, educate, advocate vulnerable communities and empower them holistically. And that could be those with disabilities. I advocate for inclusion, justice reform, basically those populations that go unnoticed. My mission in life is to help them find a voice and empower them to use it.
Michelle is known in the community as David's mom, but she is also known for her outstanding advocacy work for social justice and inclusion. She never stops, earning her undergraduate degree and 2 masters while caring for her son. Just recently, she was elected as a Roosevelt School District governing board member.
I feel like being honored by the mayor is very significant because my efforts are very grassroots. I have a very different approach, and I feel like it's the approach we need for effective, sustainable change for our communities. So having them acknowledge that, even though I'm not a big CEO or I'm making a difference one life at a time, and for them to acknowledge that, it says a lot about who's running our city right now. I think I see the world differently. And because he was my only child, this was normal to us. And I just realized I was gonna have to work a little harder to get him to see and do things that other people often take for granted.
Congratulations, Michelle, for receiving the Detective Walter Olsen Lifetime Achievement Award.